perfect skies, still the thinking never dies. Calm survives beneath the deep, where secrets rest and